Okay, I'm using the double-sided tape to stick mine down. It's a bit tricky with all these studs and stuff here. So you can see it's too loose, and when you push it, that's the bricks that I'm hitting there. So it's just too loose. No good. I have to take it off and replace it. Gap like that, not good enough. Not good enough. Hi Ben, how you doing? Hello. Just a quick hello, is it? Just a quick hello. it in like that, you get all those lines. No good. Yeah, if it compacts, then it's no good. So it's no good, it doesn't fit. Doesn't fit. So we're going to measure it and cut the bottom off. If it doesn't fit, it doesn't fit. You know? It's better to measure it and just get it right. So I measure exactly 1135. And I cut it as close to exact as I can. What did I say? 3115? 35. 1135. Perfect. Pipes there. There. Alright, we all happy with that? Good. Good. Woo! So it's not best practice to use offcuts, but I'm going to use them here because it's an internal wall and it's not that do or die, but I would not do this on an external wall. Oh no no no. I think I cut it too small. Oh! 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 It was working well, till it wasn't.